A 7 News alert. Several wildfires in Polk County have exploded in size. 7 News anchor Kelsey O'Donnell has been on the ground with crews and spoke with residents about evacuations.
The Silver Creek Baptist Church is acting as home base for crews working in 12-hour shifts day and night to contain these wildfires here in Polk County.
I was petrified. I was shaking all night, not knowing, what was happening.
Laura and Lee Teeter consider themselves few of the lucky ones. Friday, their rental property spared by a nearly 200-acre fire in Polk County.
Oh my gosh. So they were inside when it was all happening.
Mark and Amanda had just flown in from L.A., renting the cabin for the weekend, thinking they were escaping the California wildfire cleanup, only to face another round of evacuations.
Of the wind, the door was swinging open.
Crazy.
The Fishhook fire is the latest crews are responding to, sparked by a downed power line.
We feel very blessed and very relieved that our house is intact and survived the fire, because our neighbor completely lost their house.
While the Teeters' house is still standing, crews are going door to door to check on residents and other homes while battling two other fires in Polk County. The Black Cove and Deep Woods fires stretch across nearly 1,000 acres combined.
We're working the fire with helicopters, you can see in here. Most of that time they were really having to go outside and kind of big box it due to the terrain is a big issue with that. It's very steep, it's very rocky.
Residents are facing their second round of evacuations in less than a month, and it comes nearly 6 months after Helene devastated the area.
Many have, are still currently dealing with property damage from that, and some even worse, some lost complete structures. But the Polk County residents are extremely resilient. They went through the last fire, and now they're going through this one. We've had an excellent response to them.
As crews continue their work, Cannon says she believes the community will rebuild yet again. Evacuation orders remain in effect Friday for the areas affected in that fire zone, along with a burn ban across the entire state. Reporting in Polk County, I'm Kelsey O'Donnell.
And crews are also trying to contain a brush fire in Table Rock State Park. This is new video our crews just got. The Pickens County Sheriff's Office is asking people to stay away from the area as crews battle these flames. And according to the SC Forestry Commission, the fire is 0% contained and the fire size has not been posted. Again, this is happening now.